Okay, the wife's mom and grandma's coming over, so I'm out of here. We're going metal detecting, by the way. So I've got my detector, and I got my digging tool and pinpointer. Let's get out of here. All right, this is it. I've hit this park once before. It's the coldest day of the year. It is 5 degrees Celsius and wet. So there won't be anybody in the park. That's a good thing. I just realized I'm at the wrong park. I do have permission for this park, but all the old coins I dug up were just in bad shape. So I don't know, I'll hit it for a few, but I'm gonna go to the park I wanted to go to. Alright, it's cold, it's dark, but it's not wet because I'm under these trees. I found 2 10-kroner coins and some garbage. And it is garbage. See, that's the way it goes. And it is some kind of coin that is bent badly. One Swedish crown. Alright, that sucked. Hate to be negative, but I don't know why I metal detect anymore. I'm just not good at it anymore. I don't have the patience. I don't find anything anymore. Wah. Anyway, we're going to another spot. We're not giving up. Alright, here we are. I've been here once, and it sucked. But I thought we'd hit right here. I thought we'd hit this sidewalk area. People had parked their cars and dropped their silver coins back in the day. Who knows? Okay, so this guy just ran into my car. Huh? Yeah, they helped me feed. Ah, fuck. Yeah, okay. It's okay. Jag behöver din information.
Ja. Det är inte min bil, det är min kompis bil.
Ja.
Så jag ska ringa honom. Oh my god.
It's okay. He was parked up against this car. He backed up and pushed my car all the way out into the street. And kept pushing. I mean, he must have just kept pushing and pushing and pushing.
Alltså, du kan ta registreringsnummer. Vi har försäkring på bilen.
Ja.
Så det är okej.
Ja, men jag behöver din personinformation också.
Ja. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Shit happens. I just don't like it when it happens to me or anybody else for that matter.
You can.
I can drive home. It's okay.
Yes, and you can call it to insurance.
Yeah.
It's good.
No worries. Okay, we'll be in touch. All right. Anyway, should have got got all that on film, but yeah. I mean, you know, accidents happen. I just don't like it when they happen to me. He wrecked my car.